Hi, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to use a single image video wall action pack. In your downloads folder, once you've unpacked everything, you'll see that there's a clipping mask template.psd file, a JPEG file named image, a PDF file named single image video wall help file, and an HTML file named single image video wall. The simplest way to load the actions into Photoshop is to just double click on the HTML file. That will open up in Photoshop and open Photoshop automatically. If you haven't got your actions palette open, go to the top bar and click on Window, scroll down to Actions and click Actions, and your action palette opens, showing the single image video wall folder at the bottom of your actions list. To see what's inside the folder, just click the arrow on the left to expand. There are your two actions that you're going to use, the image resize action and the single image video wall building action. The image resize action resizes any image that you use, any landscape image that you use, into certain dimensions. If the image is not set at the same dimensions as what this image resize action produces, then this single image video wall action will not recognize the image and it won't run. Likewise, if the image that you're using is not named image, again, the wall building action will not recognize it. So you must ensure that the image that you're using is the same dimensions as if you've ran it through the resize action. Also, you must make sure that it's named image. Now to the wall building action. Click on the button to the left to expand the actual action. Scroll down just a touch. And first thing you need to do is just click on the button at the bottom, the play selection button at the bottom of the palette. The action will start running and you'll be confronted with a pop-up box. This is a help box explaining how to navigate, where to navigate to, and which file to open and place into the file. Click stop, click file, and then scroll down and click place and navigate to the folder that you've downloaded. Double click the PSD file named clipping mask template. When that opens in Photoshop, hit the enter key on the keyboard, go down to the bottom of the actions palette and click the play selection arrow. Now you'll be confronted with a second message box. This is instructing you on how to load the next file, which is your image file. So you click stop, click file, go scroll down to place and click place, and navigate to the folder where you've got your image that you're using and double click the image. Once your image comes into Photoshop, hit the enter key. Go down to the bottom of the actions palette and click on the play selection arrow. Then the action will run through. The next box that pops up in front of you is advising you that at this stage you can apply effects to the video wall. If you don't wish to apply effects and you just want a straight video wall, all you need to do is click stop and then click the play selection arrow at the bottom of the actions palette. If, however, that you want to try some little effects on the video wall, then the mere basic ones that you need to do is click stop, go over to the layers palette, and the image layer is selected. So you just go down and click the FX button at the bottom of the layers palette, and you scroll down and choose whichever effect that you wish to place on the wall. I'm just going to demonstrate, for demonstration purposes, I'm just going to give it a quick bevel and an emboss. I'm going to keep the settings and just click OK. Now if I disable and then enable these settings, and you notice the wall there, if I click the effects eye to disable the effects, you'll see that the wall has gone to normal. Click the eye in the back again. I'm going to minimize the effects to tidy the palette up. Once I'm happy with these effects that I've applied using the FX button at the bottom of the layers palette. Whatever effects that I've laid out now, I'm quite happy with. Now is the time to go to the bottom of the actions palette and click the play selection button. And this will start running the action through to its final stage. The action that's running is being set to slow. Some machines can cope with fast, depending on how fast the processor is in your machine. This is set to slow. Once a stop appears, informing you that your wall is ready, click stop to make the box go away. You'll notice in the layers palette that you have a layer mask on the layer 1, which was called your image. It's now renamed to layer 1 and it's got a layer mask. This layer mask can be altered by using the black and a brush. Use a medium sized brush, or a large sized brush I should say, with medium settings around 24% opacity on the top bar and around 19 to 20% of flow. Click on the mask itself to ensure that's selected. Make sure you've got the colour black selected, and then you can actually just paint on the file and it will start to disappear. If I just, for demonstration purposes only, I just click on that and you'll see now that it's disappearing a lot more. So, and that is basically how you use the wall. I hope the video has been helpful to you, and thank you for purchasing the file.